Peter communicated the knowledge revolution that will help the next generation of Africans confidently embrace a plurality of ideas and knowledge systems in which African-led ideas and systems can have prominence on the global stage. For Peter, all knowledge could be brought to bear, not just what is considered academically relevant knowledge. In my view, this has some deep connotations, and I've tried to reflect on this. See, emotions, sentiments, instincts, humor, even prejudices, for example, these rarely have space in social science research. They are relegated to the realm of irrelevance, intangibles of footnotes, or at best, tucked away in specialized disciplines. That's where you've seen, that's the home of anthropology and a whole range of other dying disciplines. Some actually are very promising in this particular age. Yet in reality, we rarely record human encounters in Africa, or indeed world over. It's not just an African issue, without deeply emotional, sentimental, humorous, and even judgmental content. And they do not occur in silos, but they are often co-constituted. Invariably, one artificially separates actions and activities that are parts of our daily realities and sometimes central to who we are, what we value, what we experience and aspire to. We separate this from the core of what we study and seek to interpret and improve. So at the end of the day, half the story is gone because we have not taken them into account. As far as Peter was concerned, we need to rely more on our own evidence base, including evidence that derives from our values and experiences. He was unapologetic about the need to integrate different forms of evidence into what we quantify and place value on, even when that evidence seems intangible. This means generating evidence from our realities such that values and intangibles coexist and in conversation with the tangible elements of those realities. This is at the crux of the knowledge transformation work that Peter introduced at the African Leadership Center.